Hey there mga my loves, Virgo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So our content now for today is we're gonna find out ano ba yung karma nitong person na to na nanakit sa yung damdamin, Virgo. But before that, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan, welcome. At sa returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So we do not have any gender right here. And of course, this is timeless as well. So just take only what resonates. Okay? So, wala tayo ditong age and also time period. Okay? So let's go ahead and check this out for you. Virgo, Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you for being present here in this reading. Can you please show me ano po yung karma nitong person na to na nanakit kay Virgo? Can you please show me what are these karmas nitong person na nanakit kay Virgo? Karmas of this person who hurt Virgo. Can you please show me? Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages here for ya, Virgo. Inatag naman na natin lahat. Nine of Wands, Three of Cups, Devil, Five of Wands, Empress, Six of Wands, Five of Coins, Six of Coins, and the Two of Coins. I'm seeing this person here kahit doblehin niya pa ang kanya rito ang pagsusumikap at pagtitiyaga sa kanyang work, it feels like everything is falling apart when it comes to finances. Yung flow or yung money energy, whether may negosyo siya, which is doing great right now, or possibly pwedeng maganda yung takbo or flow ng kanya ritong negosyo, recently or throughout the years, nakita ko na ito ay posibleng mag-fluctuate. And this is something here na bad news for this person because inalagaan niya yung negosyo na yun. Okay? So nakita ko dito that for some reason, hindi niya mahanap yung dahilan kung bakit parang medyo tinatamlay ang negosyo niya rito. Kung negosyo ito. This person keeps on improving and improving, gathering ideas or concepts that will help this business to grow, but it looks like it keeps on failing. And how come is that possible? Because it's part of the karma though. Ibig sabihin, ito yung karma na hindi niya pwedeng escapean or takasan. This is something here that will make this person here think ano yung mali dito sa negosyo, but hindi sa negosyo ang mali. It's just that you did something wrong with my Virgo people in the past, and that is the consequence or the aftermath niyaan. And nakikita ko ito nalalapit siya with his or her friends to ask help regarding money. Pero wala makakapag-provide because everybody also needs money. May nakita ko dito, Virgo. Okay. So, meron ditong lalapitan siya na may pera. I think parents nito or whatever, no? Pero hindi siya bibigyan. Okay. At kung sino yung parents niya na yun or tumatayo rito mature na, looks like parent vibe, no? Or lolo't lola rito. No? I think, yun yung ayaw talagang maghiwalay kayo before. Yeah, this could be your past person. So, hindi ko nakikita na nakakahingi siya ng tulong pinansyal sa kanyang parents, no? May blood tie, so baka lolo't lolo niya rin. Okay? At maaring boto yun sa inyo ng sobra. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito na kung hindi naman niya negosyo, no? It's something here related to work. Parang medyo nakikita ko siya rito na parang nagpupuyat siya sa wala. Or napupunta lang rin sa wala yung ginagawa niyang effort sa trabaho. Posibleng siya 'to na tinitingnan niya na rito yung promotion kasi posibleng nabanggit na at posibleng nominated na nga ang kanyang pangalan. But for some reason, this person keeps on waiting and waiting right here and nakikita ko siyang madi-disappoint siya rito kasi hindi sa kanya mapupunta yung promotion na yun. How come is that possible? Eh, siya na nga yung matunog yung pangalan for that. It's part of the karma. It's part of the karma. Yan. Yun na nga yung tinitingnan ko for the increase of my money eh. Yan. Disappointment. Yung nakikita at makikita niya dito. Okay? So, nakita ka rin dito na may mga tao rito na posibleng magbanggit ng pangalan mo at magsimula siya ritong mairita dahil paulit-ulit nilang babanggitin ang pangalan mo. Ang irita na yun ay may kasama rito na hindi puot ha, kundi yung kaya siya irritable, affected siya because this person here needs you now. Maybe you are someone here na mas angat sa buhay ngayon because you are appearing as the Empress. This person is seeing you as the Empress. Mas matagumpay, mas may pera, mas may iaangat pa. This person here is now viewing you as the top sa kanyang priority list. Pero naiirita siya rito because he or she cannot get you back into his or her life because you are not allowing him or her na bumalik sa buhay mo because you are the Empress. The Empress knows 102% anong ginagawa niya, ano yung mga desisyong gagawin niya, at wala sa desisyon mong muli kang bumalik sa piling niya. And this person knows that. Galing nga yun sa thoughts niya eh, yung sinabi ko. So I do pick up right here, Virgo, that this is the person here na gulong-gulo dahil hindi niya alam kung paano niya rito ma maayos ang sitwasyon niya. He or she knows na isa ka sanang malaking tulong sa kanya rito eh. Pero wala ka na nga sa life niya. And what irritates this person here more is that parehas kayo may common friends or iisa lang yung circle of friends ninyo and every time kasama niyo yun, at binabanggit at naririnig ang pangalan mo, it pisses him or her off. Mas lalo niyang niisip rito na para siya ritong nandiliit, okay? Because posibleng nakukumpara kayo sa kanya. Parang, look at your ex, look at Virgo. Mas maayos yung buhay niya ngayon compared sa'yo, pero ikaw tong nang iwan. Look at Virgo. Look at his or her life now. And look at yours. Ay. Yan. May mga friends talaga na minsan, matatabi lang mga dila. Walang mga preno, no? Lalo na yung mga lasing na, no? So, baka maaaring nagiinuman sila or whatever, no? Kung ano-ano na rito yung nasasabi. Pero, meron nga sinasabi yung iba, di ba? Na paglasing, mas totoo yung sinasabi. Yan. But, I can say, no, na this person here wants to still, uh, remember your happy times together, no? Kasi kung ano man yung sweet moments na pinag-share ninyo before. I'm seeing Ant in here. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya nanggaling, no? There's langgam, paikot-ikot here, no? Kung pansinin nyo. And I think this person here is posibleng naramdaman niya kasi yung pagiging sweet niyo sa kanya before at naramdaman niya rin yung love niya for you, no? Natotoo naman yun. Kaya lang kasi it so happened na may mga bagay na hindi makontrol at hindi yan natakasan. And there could be a possibility of loss, desire, or pleasure. Yeah. So, yun yung nakikita ko from here, guys. And also, Virgo, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na medyo mahihirapan siya rito na makuha yung tagumpay. Ano man yan, career, job, negosyo, or any sa kanyang personal life. Okay, so nakita ko na parang kailangan niya muna na talagang magsumipag ng husto at talaga namang ibigay yung very, 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 very best to the point na almost, almost, almost napasuko na siya. Ganun kahirap bago niya ma mapagtagumpayan or makuha, no, yung panalo dito sa anumang sitwasyon ng kanyang life. See? Kailangan niya muna mag-struggle, mag-sacrifice ng bongga in order to get something. Yan. Kailangan mo na paghirapan yun ng sobra-sobra bago makuha yun. Yan. So, I think that is also part of his or her karma. Yan. Na yung success ay medyo malayong maabot sa kanya. Yan. I don't know why I'm picking up. Maybe this person here, ang religion niya is different. Like, hindi yung normal na parang marami. Like, hindi yung Catholic or hindi yung Christian. Pwedeng Buddhist siya, Mormon, or Muslim. Yan. So, wala tayo ditong gender at wala rin po tayo ritong religion. Pero I think there's something in the culture, belief, or even background of this person here. Yan. But doesn't have to be. Okay. I do see that this person here is nakikita ko na parang paghihirapan niya yung mga bagay bago niya makuha. And I think this person here is actually afraid to receive this type of karma kasi sa totoo lang, medyo mahina po yung loob niya. Yeah. I don't know how come is that, no? Pero yun yung nakita natin here. So, nakita ko dito na this person here is nahihirapan siya pero hindi niya ina-admit na nahihirapan siya. Maybe this person here is trying to be pa-macho or pa-sexy, no? Na masabi lang na kaya niya. Pero yung totoo, hindi niya kaya yung mga problema pinagdadaanan niya ngayon. So, nakita ko na to na itong person na to na is posibleng malaki yung ego niya, malaki yung pride niya, at yan yung humaharang sa kanyang way para makalabas siya rito sa ganitong klase ng situation. Okay? Ayaw niya na tumatanggap rito ng mga advices from others. Ayaw niya ng nasasapawan. Yan. Oo, kahit sa mga advice lang. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, nakita ko dito that this person here will definitely go a long, 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 long walk, no? Bago siya dito talagang makaalis sa sitwasyon na ito. Kailangan niyang tapusin 'to, ang dami pang susunod na mga karmas, oh. So, nakikita ko dito na ito ay parte or bahagi pa lang ng mga karma niya sa inyo. At may nakikita ko dito, no? So, kailangan ko lang 'to sabihin. Pagka na-karma siya, merong nagbabantay dito eh. Parang may nag-iintay ring makarma siya. Maliban dito sa energy mo na may energy pa ritong pumapasok sa reading niya. So, meron siguro rito na ginawa niya rito ng kasalanan or may kasalanan siya sa taong ito. Meron ditong naghihintay na makarma rin daw siya, yan. So, this person here, for some reason, gonna get straight to the point. Pinagpipray niya talaga na makarma tong person na to. So, whoever this individual is, I don't think that it's you because meron ditong isa pang energy connecting sa reading ninyo and it's really strong, 'no? Medyo bad trip at galit siya rito sa person na ito. So, baka isa 'to sa mga tao na inabandon, na iniwan, pinag-murderan or hindi niya rito pinahalagahan. Posible po 'yan, 'no? Yeah, may naghihintay rito na madapa siya at nakikita kong hahalakhak ng bongga itong person na 'to kapagka nangyari or nakita at nabalitaan niya na 'yun, 'yan. So, posibleng ex niya rin 'yun or one of his or her ex, see? Or could be someone here na ginuyo niya, 'no? 'Yan. So, maliban diyan, Virgo, I'm also picking up that this person right here is actually nakita ko dito na naka-block siya, okay, sa mga talagang gusto niya ritong pasukan na companies. Not necessarily na yung company na yun blinak siya, no, literally. Pero nakita ko rito na posibleng laging close, walang vacation, ay walang vacation, walang walang vacant position, no, but I mentioned vacation, no, so maaaring yung work niya ngayon is too much for him or her to bear. Maaaring hindi siya nakapagpahinga, kailangan niya ng bakasyon or rest day, kaya siguro aalis siya. Pero yung mga gusto niya ritong tinitingnan ng mga kumpanya is not available at the present moment or will not be available as long as he or she is looking for work. Yeah, and kapag may work na siya rito saka magkakaroon ng open position dun sa talagang gusto niyang pasukan na work or pasuking business if business is the case. Yeah, I know, but that is part of the karma of this person here. However, okay, universe is still someone, no, na alam naman natin na Kaya may mga ganito is for us to learn our lessons. And sometimes other people must learn their lessons in a hard way. And yeah, this is just part of this challenge right here. Okay? So hopefully, malampasan niya ang lahat ng mga pagsubok na ito kasi may mga susunod pa. Yan. Kailangan niya rito maging malakas, matapang, at kailangan niya rito na paglabanan at magkaroon ng malakas na fighting spirit. So yeah, these are all the messages we got right here from this person. These are all the karmas that this person here is receiving or is about to receive. Thank you so much, Maria. Ako po siya ng inyong psychic medium. Sarang ngayon, love and light. Annyeong!